Try throwing around right here. Nah. Yeah.
Alright, Master Baker, show me how it's going.
Shit, if I even know how to catch one. Give it a pop here and there. Wait, feel tug. Yep. Fish on. Ooh, that thing got some fight. Will you net me? You can just set your line down, it'll be fine. He's trying to dig. Oh, stay down, stay down, stay down. Quit jumping. All right, you ready? Get him. There you go. I can just get him out like that.
First cast of the day for Mr. Coda. I'm on my 20th. And he brings in this fella.
First cast of the day. That's what we like to see. Caught that on a mud bug Ned rig. Been really windy today. Hell, we've been fighting just to get set up and get ready. But yeah, needed this one. It's good fish in the boat. Let's try to catch some more and see what we can't do. It's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be a good day. Well, that fish had a good fight to it.
Yeah, he did.
He was jumping and twirling and...
Literally your first cast.
Yeah. Hey, you know, that might be one of the first times ever I've first cast caught a fish. All right, gonna try a second cove. This little creek channel that I like to fish in, there's 2 or 3 coves back here. So you're gonna see right around this bend, it just curves around to the left. And then there's a little pocket that'll go all the way back, and then there's one that curls back to the left. So we're gonna try that second one over on the left side and see if there's anything back there. Also, it should probably be noted that the water is up about 16 feet right now. It's insane how much it's up. Yeah.
I just threw over a pile of brush. Yeah, I was losing it.
Yep, got one. Itty bitty little thing though. Yeah. Oh, what is this? Are you a little smallmouth? It's a tiny smallmouth. Quit spinning. Quit spinning. Quit it. Quit it. All right, guys. Fish number 2 of the day. A little baby smallmouth. He be a little guy. Look at him. What, they're sharp teeth. Got them lines. Yeah. Future 6-pounder right there. I've been recording this whole time. Look at Callie catching that fish. That's a nice fish. Yeah, look at that. Largemouth.
Total accident.
Popped right out there.
Nice little fella. He's angry.
They're all angry.
Thanks for playing.
Look at there. On the board for the day. Just got home. Got on a decent little bite today. It was a very short fishing trip. We ended up running out of time and had to get back a lot sooner than we expected. That wind was just killing us today. But fished for about 2.5 hours, caught 4 fish. Unfortunately, forgot to hit the record button on the first one, but what can you do? But yeah, even though it was just a short little bite, it's always nice to get out there and just spend some time on the water, play around. It was just me and my wife today, so we had a good time, just a little bonding experience. But yeah, as always, had a good time. Just got home, gonna get some eats. And if you like what you see, let me know. If you don't like what you see, let me know. I'm still, you know, I've said it before, still trying to figure this deal out. Still trying to figure out what everybody likes to watch, what everybody likes to see. So, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I don't know what to say right now.